Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where we help you practice English in a clear, slow, and supportive way so that you can build confidence and speak more naturally in your everyday life.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy that you are here learning with us today. And in this lesson, we are going to focus on an important and useful topic, which is how to describe people in English using simple but meaningful adjectives.
Yes, this topic is very helpful because you can use it when you talk about your friends, your family members, your teachers, or even new people that you meet in your daily life.
In this lesson, we will use long sentences with full meaning so you can learn how to speak more naturally and express your ideas more clearly.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can continue practicing English with us every day.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what adjectives are, because adjectives are words that we use to describe people, things, or places in more detail.
For example, when you say, she is kind, the word kind is an adjective because it describes her personality in a simple and clear way.
You can also say, he is tall, where tall describes the person's appearance.
So, adjectives help you give more information, and they make your sentences more interesting and meaningful. Repeat. She is kind. He is tall. They are friendly.
Now let's learn how to describe personality using longer sentences that have full meaning and clear ideas.
For example, you can say, my best friend is a very kind and supportive person who always helps me when I have problems.
You can also say, my teacher is very patient and explains things carefully so I can understand the lesson easily.
Let's learn some useful adjectives. Kind, friendly, funny, helpful, patient, honest, hardworking.
Example sentence. My coworker is very hardworking and responsible, and he always finishes his work on time.
That is a great sentence because it explains both personality and behavior. Practice. My friend is very because.
Now let's talk about how to describe appearance using longer and more natural sentences.
You can say, he is a tall person with short black hair and a very friendly smile.
Or, she is a young woman with long brown hair, and she always looks very neat and clean.
Let's practice some key words. Tall, short, slim, strong, young, beautiful, handsome.
Example sentence, my brother is tall and strong, and he has short hair and a confident look. Repeat. He has short hair. She has long hair. He is tall and strong.
Now, let's combine personality and appearance to describe people in your life using full sentences.
For example, you can say, my mother is a very kind and caring person, and she has a warm smile that makes everyone feel comfortable.
Or, my friend is very funny and talkative, and he always makes people laugh when we spend time together.
Example conversation.
Can you describe your teacher?
Yes, my teacher is very patient and helpful, and she always explains difficult ideas in a simple and clear way so students can understand easily.
That's an excellent answer. Good job. Emily, can you describe someone who is important in your life?
Yes, I would like to describe my best friend, who is a very kind and supportive person, and she always listens to me when I want to share my thoughts or feelings.
That sounds very nice. What does she look like?
She is medium height, and she has long black hair and a very friendly smile, which makes her easy to talk to.
Why is she important to you?
She is important to me because she understands me very well, and she always encourages me when I feel tired or stressed.
That is a beautiful description. Good job.
Now it's your turn to practice speaking with full sentences.
Describe your best friend. Describe your teacher. Describe someone in your family. Example: My friend is very kind and helpful, and he always supports me when I need help. Take your time and speak slowly. Repeat these sentences. My friend is very kind and friendly. He is tall and has short hair. She is very patient and helpful.
Today, we learned how to describe people in English using simple adjectives and long sentences with full meaning so that we can speak more clearly and naturally.
This is a very useful skill because you can use it in many real-life situations when you talk about people around you.
Remember, you do not need perfect English, but you need to practice every day and try to use full sentences.
Great job today. You are improving step by step.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing English.